Ah, Pioneer Village, one of the newest TTC stations found on Line 1. It's got a beautiful building, and the entrance interior looks really cool as well. Going down the escalator shows you how much the TTC is packed into each of its newest stations, and Pioneer Village is no exception. After paying your fare on your way down, you may notice there are a set of segment displays along the ceiling on your way down to the platforms. Yes, quite literally. They are dotted along the full length of the second pair of escalators that goes up to the platform ceiling. According to the Wikipedia, there are about 40 light fixtures used in this row. Now, moving on to the actual subject matter of this video. You may be wondering what this is for, and why the TTC never chose to activate these in the first place. Well, this is one of the many pieces installed at each of the new stations. The one Pioneer Village has are these light segment displays, which is part of an artwork called Lightspell. Lightspell was created by Jim and Jan Edler, who were both a part of the Berlin-based Realities United. The main goal of Lightspell was to allow passengers on the platforms to input a word with a length up to 8 characters using the kiosks found on the platforms. The platforms at Pioneer Village have plenty of these kiosks, which can be found at either a pillar or at the designated waiting area. So, the question remains, why can't we make use of Lightspell yet, despite the station opening almost 5 years ago? Well, the reason being is that the TTC decided not to activate it with concerns related to people entering inappropriate and offensive words. A bylaw in regards to the use of inappropriate language on TTC grounds was applied to the Lightspell artwork, although it's not exactly clear whether it should have been applied, as it isn't the artwork itself communicating it. Rather, it follows an input accepted by a user. Apparently, there are still discussions going on between the TTC and the artists to finally get the art piece up and running in the form of a compromise solution. Will it happen, or will this be a waste of 500 grand? Time will tell. I wonder if I can get this to work. If only I could just type in a bunch of characters. Wow, guys, I think it worked. Wait a minute, it didn't work. What?